Hello there, I'm Ingrid Wheel and this video conferencing tip is about your lighting. My main light source right now is natural light coming from my window, but it is creating a shadow on this side of my face. So I'm going to use a reflector and bounce that light right back into my face. Obviously I've got one because it's in my kit, but you can make one yourself by getting a little bit crafty with a few bits around your home. I'll show you how. You'll need a large piece of cardboard, some smaller pieces, some tape, and of course some tinfoil. If you have it, some spray glue would be really useful, but don't worry if you don't. Use your smaller bits of card to reinforce the folds in your box. Roll out strips of tinfoil, dull side up, and tape that foil to the edge of your card. If you have spray glue, use it to stick the foil down to your card. And smooth the foil down using a soft cloth. Repeat the process until your cardboard is covered, and then tidy up the edges using some more tape. And there you go, a really simple but effective reflector. You'll need to stand your reflector upright, so get yourself some heavy objects from around the house. Place them behind and in front in order to brace your reflector into place. So now that we've made our reflector, put your camera into its preview mode. Pop your reflector into its supports. Make sure that the light is reflecting back into your face. And don't forget to look at your mark. I hope this has been helpful. Bye-bye.